As the title says, today I'm going to show you how to bulk download and save OnlyFans videos. Unlike browser extensions or other complicated tools, the method I'm sharing is easier, more convenient, and works reliably in the long run. Let's get started. To bulk download OnlyFans videos, first install Streamfab OnlyFans Downloader and open it on your computer. In the Adult Services section, select OnlyFans. Next, log into your OnlyFans account using Streamfab's built-in browser. Just pick any video you want and start playing it. Streamfab will automatically detect and analyze the video for you. When it comes to resolution, Streamfab lets you grab the original video, and you're free to pick whatever quality you want. Higher resolution means you'll get a way better viewing experience. You can either download videos right away or add them to your downloading queue for later. Here comes the point. If you have a favorite OnlyFans creator, Streamfab lets you bulk download all videos from their homepage, so you don't need to add each one manually. Streamfab also offers a unique automatic download mode, allowing you to set a schedule to auto-download the latest videos from the creators you follow. This convenient feature makes Streamfab our top recommendation. Streamfab doesn't cap your download speed, so how fast you can download totally depends on your own internet connection.
A few moments later.
Unlike many other tools that only download standard videos, Streamfab OnlyFans Downloader can also grab videos sent via messages or private videos from creators. Our team is constantly updating and optimizing the software, especially for downloading message videos, making it more reliable with each new version. Streamfab OnlyFans Downloader gives you 3 free trial downloads for OnlyFans videos with no limits on video length or quality during the trial. So give it a try and enjoy your favorite content worry-free.